Hello and thanks for tuning in. In this tutorial, we are going to explain QGIS installation and basic navigations. I hope you find it helpful. Search QGIS download or go directly to www.qgis.org. Avoid hitting the large download QGIS button because it's for latest release LR build, which may not be the most stable build for daily usage. Instead, click a link for downloading a LTR, long-term release build. After a MSI file is downloaded on your local storage, double-click it to start installation. Let's try QGIS. Find the QGIS desktop icon from the Windows Start menu, then click it. After application is launched, click the New Project icon on the toolbar, open Menu, Project, New, or press Ctrl and N key. It will open a blank map canvas. Here is how to add a world map quickly to the canvas. Find the coordinate window on the status bar and type world, then hit Enter key. A simple world map layer will be added. Map canvas can be navigated using your mouse. Scroll the mouse wheel to change the zoom factor. Press and hold the mouse wheel, then drag to move the camera. QGIS supports on-the-fly CRS Transformation. This means that you can choose which CRS coordinate reference system will be used to draw the map canvas, regardless the underlying CRS of the data you added. Go to Menu, Project, Properties, CRS, then select a desired projection. Opening a GIS file is easy and simple. Just drag and drop a data file from File Explorer to a map canvas. Various types of GIS data, such as digital elevation model, also imagery, or 3D building data are supported. So to recap, we covered choose LT long-term release version when installing QGIS. Type world in the coordinate window to add a world map. Use mouse wheel for navigation. Change a projection if needed. Drag and drop to open a GIS file. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to leave a like rating if you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you all in the next one.